Jaden.
She doesn't go wild.
Let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright. Let's talk about love.
What's up, Slyfoxers? We are heading back to California today. The car is completely stopped. So much so we had to get this extra thing here packed to the brim, and we are heading out. It is freezing. It's like 20 degrees out this morning. My hands are ice cold, and we are saying goodbye to the perfect little beauty right there. I was just thinking that it's gonna be really quiet in here.
It will be.
No more chaos. It's been so loud in your house. Our kids are really loud. We're leaving them. I need to hug Kobe.
Oh man.
Come back.
So sad.
Let me flip her.
Are you vlogging too?
I'm trying.
She's vlogging too. It's just a big sad vlogging party right
This
here.
is really sad.
Oh, but she's cute though. Bye, sweet girl.
The next day.
We pulled in last night to Nana and Papa's house back in warm, sunny, beautiful California, where there is pretty much the best weather in all of the United States, I would have to say. And the kids have been hanging out. Nana and Papa are at work today. What are you guys doing over here? What game are you guys playing?
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park, Nintendo? They're getting ready for the new Jurassic Park movie coming out. Leave in the comments if you guys are excited for the new Jurassic World movie. Got it out. There we go.
Okay, so last night was super exciting. All right, so I don't know if you guys remember, but we had some dog drama right before we left our house. I'm gonna flash back to it now. Why are you sad, babe?
Because we're gonna be gone for a long time.
Only 3 weeks.
Not
Only 3
that
weeks.
bad, babe.
But what if she forgets?
She won't forget
you
you.
have
She
to
will not.
remind
You
her.
wanna, hey, I got a great idea. Look at her, she's telling you she's okay. It was really sad. Kids were so sad to leave the dogs because they were sick. But guess what? We are almost home from our month-long crazy trip going to tons of different states, and we're gonna see Phoebe for the first time in a month. Kids are stoked, we're pumped, and I'm gonna show you guys what her reaction is when she sees us. Jaden.
Hi!
Papa is dancing. Hi, Papa. Wait, Jaden. Jaden, I said wait. Whoa. It's getting crazy. Jaden! Wait.
You're Caspian.
Aw, grandparents reunited.
They're not letting you go anymore.
Where's Susa?
She doesn't go wild.
Hi, Boo.
Hi, Justin. I miss you, baby.
Watch it, it's a crazy tale.
I forgot what you look like.
Oh, Susa girl. Hi, baby girl.
Oh, she's shivering.
She's so pumped. She's shaking for joy. Where's Daddy? Phoebe, where's Daddy? Phoebe, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Phoebe, where's Daddy? Come on. There's
She thought we forgot about you, huh?
Good.
She's gonna set the.
We were asking her where Daddy was, and she was freaking out. Now all we need is little Chubby, Jaden.
Yes, I miss him.
You can see Chubby tomorrow at Joe's.
I haven't seen her in over a month. I miss you. It's really you. Hold on, let me smell your hair. Okay. Okay, but where's my girl? Oh, she doesn't even care about me. She just cares about Daphne. How are you?
Good. How are you?
We miss
Good
you
to
guys
see
so
I know
much.
you guys too.
Oh, that big girl. Oh my god. you smell so good, like spit up. I love it.
You haven't seen us in so long, huh? You forget who we are?
Look at Jade.
Look at that face. Whoa.
Hi, Jaden.
She's like, I just got out of the shower, but I'm not ready yet. Piper's here today, but we don't have Tyler. We've been hanging with Tyler and Piper for a while. Check it out.
Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome.
Give me a hug over here.
Thank you.
We are about to find out. Are you ready?
I'm so
I have butterflies for you.
The kids are outside with Auntie JoJo, and I am in here in the house hanging out. I was just watching some Jamie and Nikki. Shout out to Jamie and Nikki if you know them, love them. Some of my favorite YouTubers out in Australia. And I'm cleaning up after the kids right here. Hannah is out with Piper, hanging out, catching up.
Someone is clearly happy to shop with us. We have a party tonight.
party in the
We're going shopping. Hopefully I can find something that fits me. Forever 21. We did Forever 31. Okay, so we're in here and I've been searching and they only have stuff like this right here. And guys, this clearly wouldn't work.
Wait, that's not even, it's not a two-top, it's actually a skirt.
Oh, it's a skirt. Okay. So clearly that wouldn't work for me. So Piper's like, why don't you ask them where the Forever 31 section is? So
We're gonna see, but you have to
right here.
straight
I'm gonna
face,
ask
just
her.
ask her.
Excuse me? Do you know where the Forever 31 section is? I'm just kidding. She dared me to because we're like the moms. I was like,
Yeah, because we need the 31. We need the mom section. Do you have the mom section?
I mean, that's like a classier section.
Oh, okay.
I like to call it that.
Yeah, classy. Okay.
Let's head to the classy
Okay.
section.
That is the best compliment ever. We're
Is that pretty
classy.
good? So since we are not in our house for Christmas, I need to get stockings for us and the kids. So here is my selections. I'm going to Home Goods to pick them out. Some really cute ones. Oh my gosh. Which ones to get? Funny story. We're all going into Ulta and I have all the bags here. Because the baby needed to go in her stroller, and I'm like, oh, I can't bring this shopping cart into Ulta, and these two right there, no, bring it in, you'll be fine, it'll be fine. I'm like, are you sure? That's like so weird. They don't even have carts in there. No, bring it in. This second I walk into Ulta, I mean, like, I step in, I have like 3 feet in the door. Ma'am, you're not allowed in the store with this. So I did the full-on walk of shame out the door by myself because my friends didn't offer to sit with me outside. Nope. They said, oh, bye, have fun with the cart.
The bag lady?
Me, the bag lady, outside with the cart, trying to go into Ulta where they don't even have shopping carts because they told me to.
Sorry.
You can bring your stroller in, but I can't bring my cart? I feel like that's a little bit unfair. Just because you have a baby or what? This is my baby. Currently explaining my mood.
Things are feeling dangerous. Dude, things are dangerous over here.
He's dangerous.
What's up?
Oh, hey.
It's my dude over there.
Excuse me,
I haven't seen you in so long.
I know, it's been way too
Dude,
long.
first thing we have to do.
Okay. Dink. Hey, that's our thing.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Look at this daddy over here. Dink. Look at you, dude. You're in full force now.
Dude, full force.
Dang. So there's been some transformations over here. Everyone is done up except for
So for me,
you. I should just stay here with you, dude. Just sleep. We can just snuggle up on these couches over here.
Tyler's letting mom go out.
Yeah, mom's night out. Her big night out. Make sure you guys go check out Tyler and Piper's channel. Of course, Daphne as well. Link them down below. Yeah, if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know they've been with us a ton. Oh, look it. She's like, all right, peace out, mom. Go hang with dad for a bit.
peace out.
Dang, you look hot. Is it? Can't even focus on you. So this is like the first time we have gone out since you had a baby.
I know.
I haven't seen her in like 2 months, right? 2 months.
2 months, and then this is like our
Reunion
our
trip.
first date.
This is our reunion,
first
yep.
date,
And
post
this guy
baby.
too. Tyler is at home with the baby. We've got a holiday party. I have missed her doing my makeup. She always just does such an awesome job. I love her. Love you. Hey.
I love you.
We have a holiday party. We should give more details.
Okay,
for
go ahead.
everybody
Andrew wants to be
watching.
more detailed, so I'm gonna hand it off.
So the details here. Hi guys, I'm down here. Oh, I'm up here. There we go. Hey, what's up? Anyway, we got a holiday party with Fullscreen, who is our management, who helps us manage and keep everything organized for our channel and our Instagrams and social media and all that awesome stuff. So we're gonna go hang out with a lot of them tonight, and it should be a lot of fun.
We're 2 hours late. It started at 7, so we'll roll in at 9ish. What are you doing?
Sleeping.
Me?
Why are you being antisocial?
Me? Not. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm ready to party.
Okay, she's ready to party.
Later.
It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning, and Andrew and I are headed home. We just dropped off Piper. We have an hour drive ahead of us. I'm so tired. All the traveling has really gotten to me, but
It's warming out.
it's nice to be back in California, reunited with our friends and our dogs and our family, and it was so cute to see the kids' reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed that. They loved it. They loved meeting up with Phoebe again, but we're gonna call it a night because we're so tired, and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Be kind. We love you. Thanks a lot.